Beautiful soul. Starting an online business after 50? You're not too late. You're right on time. Whether you're retired, semi-retired, or just ready for a second act, there's never been a better time to build a flexible, income-generating business. From home. Here's the truth. Experience is your superpower. In your 50s and beyond, you know what you're good at and what you're done tolerating. Online tools today are simpler than ever. No tech degree required. From consulting to e-commerce to digital products, there's a model that fits your lifestyle and strengths. Let's break it down into 4 steps. 1. Pick a business model. Coaching, freelancing, selling products, or creating content. Choose based on your interests and lifestyle. 1. Solve a problem. You understand. Think, what do people constantly ask me for help with? That's the start of a profitable niche. 1. Keep it simple. With tools, use platforms like Shopify, Canva, Substack, or even YouTube. They're drag and drop easy and free to start. 1. Build and test. Don't aim for perfect. Start small. Launch a test offer. Learn, improve. Worried about tech? Stick with beginner-friendly tools. You don't need to know it all. Just start. Think you're too late? Nope. The internet doesn't care about age. It cares about value. Fear of failure? Failure just means feedback. You've been learning your whole life. This is no different. You have the wisdom. You have the time. Now it's about building something that gives you freedom, financial freedom, creative freedom, time freedom. So if you're 50 or beyond and ready to create income on your terms, your next chapter starts now. Want help choosing the right idea? Watch Top 5 Online Business Ideas for Beginners over 50.